Hello! So, we're doing my next kind of box unboxing. So, I've done one of these before, of course. We're just going to be doing a try-on first impressions of this kind of beauty box. I think you do get two, well, not options, but there's two different boxes that they do every month, and then you get one of the two. So, this is obviously the one that I've got. So yeah, if you just want to see me try on all this stuff, let you know what I think of it, if any of the stuff is worth like buying individually or anything like that, then, you know, subscribe if you want to, give the video a thumbs up as well. I would say grab your beverage, but we don't want to look at the state of that now. And yeah, just keep watching. Okay, let's get started then, shall we? We're gonna get straight into it. No faffing around. Maybe they heard me, you know, maybe the company just heard my spirit, you know, because in my last video I was like, I need my boxes to arrive in the same actual month as them. My August box came today, which wow, I'm actually very happy about that, because I was actually going to cancel the subscription because I thought, you know what, if they're not coming in the month that they're supposed to, the whole video purpose is just, it's pointless. But maybe they're just, maybe like their shipping and stuff is maybe going back to normal now with all the shit going on, so I'll see for another few months and see how the shipping situation goes. And obviously it is coming from the States anyway, so I get it takes a bit longer. Anyway though, beverage, I drank most of it. I started making my cold brew in a different way, and oh my god, this is really good. You can taste the coffee so much more. I'm so excited. I just hit myself in the face. Did you see that? I made this like 5 minutes ago. I may have to go get another one. Oh yeah, we're hyped up a bit today because that is some really good coffee. Anyway, hi. I've done one of these before. That was just kind of like the starter box. So hopefully I want to do these regularly every month. And we like discovering new brands over here, so that's what we're going to do. The first thing actually I've already used. I'll insert the clip of me using it in a minute. So this is from the brand Delizioso. I'm so sorry. Skincare, and this is the watermelon and COQ10 facial polish. So it's a watermelon and COQ10 polish, like I just said, and I used this today just before I went in the shower. Like I worked out and went for my shower, and obviously I usually wash my face in there, but I wasn't gonna film that, so I will insert the clip now of me using it, and I actually really liked it. Okay, so I'm obviously in my bathroom now, and I've just worked out, but I've just used the face polish just to see if it's any good. So I'm gonna do that. I'm just gonna put a bit of water on my face first, and then we'll see how good this is, and yeah, we'll see how clean my face is. So. Mine kind of exploded a bit, so it just kind of looks like that. It says you can polish away dullness for a radiant looking extra soft complexion using this gentle organic scrub, perfect for all skin types. Watermelon is abundant in vitamins A, B and C, lycopene and naturally occurring omega acids, paired with COQ10 and other age-defying antioxidants like bilberries, coffee. Oh, we got some coffee in there, and alpha hydroxy acid. The lighting is really bad because I'm just in my bathroom, obviously, but you know what? That cleaned my face so nicely. Feels so smooth. Okay, I really like that. Now that I've read this, that it says that it's like a mask all in one, I really get that because it was really hydrating for my skin. So yeah, it smells really good as well, and I really liked it. It really cleaned my skin. I really like this, and this retails for $39.95. Okay, so we're gonna start with the makeup. Well, kind of. The first thing actually is this serum. It's a dewdrop serum by the brand... Why are they always names I can't pronounce? Delia Organics. Okay. And it's the Natural Skin Therapy Dewdrop Serum. This is it. We're going to use this as like a primer, basically, for the makeup. But yeah, we're going to use this. I also like that it's a plastic bottle. It's not glass. It looks like glass, but it's not. And I love that. So this lightweight balancing oil delivers essential hydration, fatty acids and antioxidants to the skin, which results in a healthier looking, refreshingly hydrated skin. Dewy skin never looks so good. If you have oily skin, I don't know how you're going to feel about this, but dry skin folks, that looks really nice. It smells good and it feels nice. So let's see how my foundation and all my makeup applies on top, shall we? So the next product is a blush. So I'm gonna go ahead and just do the rest of my makeup, my bronzer, foundation, concealer, all that. And then I'll be back and we'll see how the face looks as well after this. But that looks so nice and glowy. I went and did all my eyeshadow as well because there's also an eyeliner to test from the box. Well, just my skin, everything just applied really, really nicely. Anyway, yeah, so that glow serum thing, really, really nice. I used the Cover FX Power Play foundation and yeah, it looks really nice. That is more of a matte foundation as well, but it was still really, really dewy because obviously I put the serum underneath. Yeah, this is actually really, really good and this retails for $30. So the next thing, I'm actually really excited for this. This is a blush stick. It's a lip and cheek tint. It's by the brand Eco Lips and it's, I think it's just the shade pink. It's a multitasking vegan beauty balm. It has a smooth, lightweight formula that delivers natural colour to the lips and cheeks while imparting a soft, smooth finish. It's made with a lightweight, non-toxic earth mineral with an attractive colour that works with any skin tone. It's got organic jojoba coconut oil and organic fair trade cocoa butter to moisturise and protect while leaving behind a fresh hibiscus scent. So yeah, this retails for $8.99. That's really nice. Like, it gives a really, really nice glow. Okay, so the next thing in the box is pretty much the last thing because the other thing is a little mirror, which I think is pretty cute. The 100% pure creamy long lasting liner and it's in the shade dark cacao. This pencil retails for $26. To be retailing a pencil at $26, like, come on, what's going on here? It's pretty good. I don't think it's worth $26. I'm not like, wow, that's amazing. If I'm buying an eyeliner, not that I would, but if I was buying a $26 eyeliner, I'd want it to really glide on so easily, even if it is a pencil. But it didn't tug and it wasn't like really hard for me to use. It was actually quite easy, but I just feel like for that price, I feel like it should just fully just glide on. But I do like it. I really like the colour and I think for being a brown, it's very pigmented and it is, I mean, I know it is like a dark brown, but it's very close to black and I do really like it. So yeah. Okay, so the last thing is this little thing, which is so cute. This retails for $10 and it's by the brand Glov. So this is a bio-based pocket mirror. You can see it there. It's so cute. Look at that. I like the colour as well. I like that it's blue. This is like my favourite colour. Like a nice little like light blue like this. This is actually a really good mirror. You know when you get some that are just like so shit? This is a really good mirror. Okay, I think I'm gonna keep this in like my desk drawer. I don't really use mirrors when I'm out because I just use my phone. But this is really nice. So that's really cute to put in there. Okay, so I'm just gonna go finish off the rest of my makeup. I just need to do my mascara and lips and then we'll be back to assess the entire situation. We're done. So I've done the rest of my makeup and everything. So I just added up the full value of the box. Are we ready? $114.94. That's how much this box is worth. So yeah, that is it for the end of the video, I guess. So I actually liked everything. I think I do prefer this box to the other one just because there's more makeup-y stuff in this one. I like that it's kind of split between 2 skincare and then 2 makeup stuff, and then obviously you've got the mirror as well. So obviously I prefer the makeup-y stuff. That is it for the video. So I think if I had to pick one favorite, I'd say I do really like the lip, the cheek stain, to be fair, but this like face polish was just like so good and I think this is my favorite thing. Anyway, that is it for the video. So let me know what you think of the video, I guess, and if you tried any of these stuff, as always, let me know. And yeah, give the video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it, and I shall see you in my next video.